Hi guys, this is my bike check. First, I got a new frame from eBay. It's a Haro, like for $100 for this frame. Really cheap, but it worked really good. And you got what's it called? Homemade seat post. I made it by myself. It's really good. And this thing, the lacquer of this thing, I'm gonna change it to silver because I hate black and I like silver. Then I got one piece of cranks in here, and for GT racing cranks, it's a racing old school cranks. It work really good. And I got a twisted piece of pedals, and I'm gonna change my pedals too. I'm planning to buy a seat because I don't have a seat. I just made the seat box, that's why. Then I got OD paddles, OD in each side, and I got two called rear I got freestyle spokes, freestyle rim, freestyle tire from the rim, and it's still the same the other side, but this side is kind of cool. We got a whole bunch of spokes. This thing is sick too because of twin top spokes. Twin top spokes. And then I got a shadow chain. It's really tight, and it's really fast. I tied it up really good. So got GT Performance stem in here. Really good. It worked really good. I got handlebars in here. The shadow one, the ruby brown, cost like, I don't know, the cheap one is like $40 for this. Yeah, it's a GT2. GT handlebars. GT handlebars, you can see it. And this is my GT Performance stem. It's really cool. I got a bolt in here. And I got a shadow silver spokes in here. And I got invisible bearings in there, inside of the bearings. So that's my bike. Thanks.